Alright guys, Blue still here. We got the Durango. Finally got the Durango home. Here she is. We gotta find, I think there's a front fluid leak. We're gonna go ahead and find that. We've done some shopping. We've got all this for the Durango here. This is for all the rear, everything for the rear, hardware, wheel cylinders, everything for the rear brakes. Supposed to have a delivery today for struts. Haven't seen it yet. I fixed the brake line on the rear. I done that off camera, but well, now we got this brake fluid on the front, so we're gonna go ahead and jack this up and check it, make sure that we don't need anything for the front. So we got nothing on this side, so let's go ahead and get this jacked up and go ahead and check to see if we can find out why it's leaking. Put some stands underneath it for safety. Safety's always first or second. Depends on how you look at it. Well, we got fluid all over this wheel. I don't know if you can see it on the tread here. We're lifting it by the tire, so we're gonna have to jack it at the tires. Alright. This cap on. The camera out of the way here. Oh yeah, there's brake fluid everywhere. Here, I'll let you see the inside of this rim. See all that? She's leaking good. She's wore out pretty good in here. Let me go grab a flashlight real quick, guys, so we can see in here. Alright guys, we found the culprit. Definitely this brake caliper leaking. Looks to be coming from the piston inside the caliper. See all that? She's pretty rough. Probably gonna need a whole suspension change here. Look at all that rust. This is what sitting gets you, guys. Oil pan's leaking. A lot of here and there fixing we're gonna have to do. A lot of TLC. We're gonna go ahead and get this caliper. I'll have to order a whole new caliper. We'll do the rotor also. Replace this whole side. That side's fine, it's not leaking. This side over there is fine, not leaking. But we're going to change the shoes on it. Knocked over my drill. Got a lot of dirt down here, I need to clean her up. See if we can find any more rust. Get cleaned up. Definitely have to order this caliper. Get it picked up, and we'll have to change it out tomorrow. So we're going to have to continue this video tomorrow, guys. hate to finish it, but we got to get this brake fluid fixed. All right, guys, that brake caliper is seized up. We're gonna have to replace that caliper, replace the shoes on it, replace the pads. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the parts store, get that picked up. It's starting to get nighttime, so we'll go ahead and finish that up tomorrow. All right, let's get that done. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head to O'Reilly's. That's where I usually get my parts at. Let's order that front caliper, and we'll continue this tomorrow. We're going to just try to upload this video tonight, having an update, so you guys don't think I'm not working on the Durango anymore. It's took me a while to get her back home, get her license and all that, where she's at. I still got to put my license plate on, take the old one off. Alright, let's go ahead and head that way, get these parts ordered. I'll tell you how much it costs for brand new parts. For the rear, full rear setup, drums, new shoes, hardware kit, and the cylinders, because the cylinders are busted in the rear. It was $200 and something. It was over 200, but it was below 250. It wasn't bad for all new parts. So that's going to give us all new rear brakes. I have struts coming in. 2 struts for the rear, 2 struts for the front, all that are busted, and they were $85. They should be coming in through Amazon, which I haven't got yet. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but since I did replace the rear line off camera, all the lights are gone but the engine light, and the engine light's a mass airflow sensor light. I'm pretty sure one of the wires is disconnected, an easy fix. It makes it run a little rough, but we'll get it fixed. We'll more than likely replace the whole MAP sensor, mass airflow. We're almost here to O'Reilly's. Guys, here we are at O'Reilly's. Let's go ahead and get in there and get our part. All right, guys, we made it back from O'Reilly's. We got the caliper here. Nice looking caliper. Low light, sorry about that, guys. We'll go ahead and get that put on tomorrow, since it is dark out. Can't really see anything. We got the caliper, and we got new shoes, and then some brake fluid, new pads here. Sorry, not shoes, new pads here. Durangos, they do have huge pads, as you see here. This is both sides. We're going to do the caliper on this driver's side and just replace the pads on the other side. Got some brake fluid and a little drain pan for when we do the oil. See, we got all the oil right here to do the oil. We're going to do a bunch of that tomorrow. Go ahead and get this project started. Now that we have most of everything we need to get this thing to where we can put wheels and tires on it, put the lift kit, so that we have our brakes working over here. We got our rear brakes, get our front brakes fixed, get new fluid in, bleed the line, and get her all situated to where we can put new wheels, tires, and lift it, and then we can start getting off-road. We can check our off-road capabilities. More than likely, I think it's got a locking rear. I'm not sure. If not, we're either going to weld the rear or we're going to buy a whole new diff for it and get a locking diff in the rear. The front's not locking, but I do plan on eventually put a locking diff in the front. We get our light bars on for the trail, night trail riding, get us a roof rack, all that fun stuff. This is the update for today. This project is still going on, and I would love for you guys to follow along with it.